In this lecture of Calculus 1, we are discussing about Maclaurin's series and Taylor's series for one variable. So what is the statement of Maclaurin's series? If fx be a function of x and it can be expanded in ascending powers of x and this expansion will be differentiable any number of times, then the function is given by, according to Maclaurin series, is fx is equal to f0 plus x upon 1 factorial f dash 0 plus x square by 2 factorial f double dash 0, where the dash are showing the differentiation times, that there are 2 dash means 2 times differentiation, and so on xn by n factorial f n 0. So this is the function. ये वही फंक्शन है जो मैक्लॉरिन सीरीज में आया है, जो स्टेटमेंट में था, और हम इसी फंक्शन को सॉल्व कर सकते हैं मैक्लॉरिन सीरीज से. सो एफ एक्स फंक्शन कैसा है? a0 प्लस a1x प्लस a2x एंड सो ऑन an x की पावर असेंडिंग ऑर्डर्स में बढ़ती ही जा रही है. यहाँ पर 0 थी, x0 1, सो a0 आ गया, फिर यहाँ 0 थी, यहाँ 1 थी, यहाँ 2 थी, और सो ऑन n हो गई. और वेयर a0, a1, a2, a3, an are constants. So differentiating the statement f dash x is equal to this is a constant, it becomes 0, so we obtain a1 after differentiation 2a2 x plus similarly 3a3 x square and 4a4 x cube and so on. From this n x n minus 1, differentiating second time 2a2 from here, 2a2, from this 3 into 2 a3x, and from here 4 into 3 a4 x square and so on, n minus 1 an x n minus 2. There is here n minus 1, and after that second differentiation n minus 2. F triple dash means 3 times differentiation of this statement. So 2a2 becomes 0, 3 into 2 a3, differentiation of x 1, 4 into 3 into 2 a4x and so on, n minus 1 n minus 2 an x n minus 3. So putting fx 0, we obtain a0 because 0 is multiplied with all the constants except a0 because there is no x. F dash x, putting 0 in f dash x, we obtain a1. Similarly, putting 0 in f triple dash x, we obtain 3 factorial a3 because 3 into 2 is 3 factorial a3. Obtaining the values of constants, the value of a0 is f0, a1 is f dash 0, a2 is f double dash 0 by 2 factorial, f3 is a3 is f triple dash 0 by 3 factorial, and an is fn 0 by n factorial. After that, putting the values of constant in this equation, we obtain this statement. So value of a0 is A0 is F0. We putting F0 in the place of A0, and after that F dash 0, the value of F dash 0 is A1. We putting F dash 0 in the place of A1, and similarly F double dash 0 in the place of A2, and F and 0 in the place of AN. So this is Maclaurin series for one variable. After that, Taylor series for one variable. So what is the statement of Taylor series? If f a plus h be a function of the variable h such that it can be expanded in ascending powers of h and can be differentiable any number of times, then both a and h are independent. It is, remember that both a and h are independent. So what is the statement? F a plus h is equal to f a plus h f dash a plus h square upon 2 factorial f double dash a and so on h n by n factorial f n a. हम यहाँ देख सकते हैं कि h असेंडिंग पावर्स में इंक्रीज हो रहा है. सो सिमिलरली हम मैक्लॉरिन सीरीज की तरह एक और स्टेटमेंट बनाएंगे. एफ ए प्लस एच इज इक्वल टू A0 प्लस A1H प्लस A2H स्क्वायर एंड सो ऑन AN HN. अब हम इस स्टेटमेंट से प्रूफ करेंगे ये वाली स्टेटमेंट को. सो यहाँ देख सकते हैं कि A0, A1, A2 और AN कांस्टेंट है और H की पावर इंक्रीज हो रही है. पहले 0, H की पावर 0 1, फिर 1, फिर 2, फिर n तक इंक्रीज हो रही है. So first time differentiation, f dash a plus h is equal to a1 2a2h and 3a3h square and so on an h n minus 1 and an h n minus 1. Here is n. After that, second time differentiation, f double dash a plus h, similarly 2a2 3 into 2 into a3h, similarly 4 into 3 a4h square and so on n minus 1 an h n minus 2. Third time differentiation, f triple dash a plus h, so 3 into 2 a3, 4 into 3 into 2 a4h and so on n minus 1 n minus 2 an h n minus 3. After that, putting h is equal to 0. In all these statements, putting h is equal to 0, we obtain f a because h is equal to 0. F a is equal to a0 because 0 is multiplied with all these constant and left only a0. Then f dash a is equal to a1. F double dash a is equal to 2a2. F triple dash a plus h is equal to 3 factorial into a3. So this is written here. We obtain the values of a0, a1, a2, a3 and similarly putting into this statement. The value of a0 is fa. The value of a0 is fa. We putting fa. The value of, after that, a1h. The value of a1 is f dash a. We putting f dash a. 1 factorial value is 1. So it is equal. After that, value of a2 is equal to f double dash upon 2 factorial. We find all these values here. From here, putting h is equal to 0, and the value of f triple dash a, and the value of a3 is equal to f triple dash a upon 3 factorial. So putting the value of f a3 in the expansion of this, and after similarly the value of an is f n a is equal to n factorial an. The value of an is fn by n factorial. So fn by n factorial. So from this statement we prove this. I hope you understand Taylor's and Maclaurin series.